Depending on what state you live in, saying that very nicely, some states have had huge cutbacks in police forces. And depending on what state you live in as well, if it's not a murder, it's not a major case, you do your work, you make your report, you try to do what you got to do, and then you go do another call. Because by and large, things that are against the law happen after 10 and before 7 in the morning.
Bring, our preconceived ideas, background to making decisions. And he said, that confirms what I thought. There was nothing that truck driver could have done to avoid that accident. And I was like, wow, that's a lot of money down the drain. We did another focus group the next day, same result.
I think that the risk that all lawyers face, and maybe the fear they face, is asking for what the case is truly worth. And there were significant permanent injuries that my client had suffered. But on a case where there's contested liability and there's a lot of bad facts on the plaintiff side, a lot of lawyers, including myself, are fearful, especially if you've never done it before, to ask for $12 million on a case like that. Bob gave me the confidence to go in there and ask for what it was really worth, and he helped me do that through testing, through focus groups, which I really learned was helping me.
What it was realizing that everybody needs a champion, and for those people that are represented as defendants, they needed that too. But that carries over to the plaintiff side even more, because there's people who have been put upon, they've been injured, their whole entire lives have been flipped upside down. And until you get involved and are able to impose your will on the other side, nothing's going to happen for them. So